Welcome to Frontline Business. I am Sasha Lee Hamilton. Chairman of the Sagicor Group, Richard Biles, is urging the government to implement a long-term plan which will ensure stability in the Jamaican economy.
As important and as much as we must continue to focus on hitting those fiscal targets, getting the monetary policy right and balanced and synchronized with the fiscal, getting that debt to GDP down, we also need to have that longer-term strategic plan that is going to transform Jamaica and provide the basis for improving the productivity of all of us.
He also argued that the government's emphasis on economic growth will not result in success on its own. He says there must be other plans to complement it.
The fact is, though, that over the last 20 years, Jamaica has only grown by 0.5% per annum. That's the average for the last 20 years. Right? Whilst the rest of the world has grown at 4.3%. So we have a lot of catching up to do. And that is why I want to posit with you that achieving economic growth alone, whilst admirable objective, is not sufficient, and that we need more.
Mr. Biles was speaking at a productivity conference in Kingston on Wednesday. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, Favour Williams, says increased productivity will help to prevent potential inflationary pressures. She argues that low productivity results in cost increases that flow through to product prices, which leads to higher inflation. Mrs. Williams recommended investing in human capital development to increase labor productivity and expand the range of the productive capacities of the Jamaican people. Friday's foreign exchange market closed with the US dollar being sold for $129.31, the Canadian going for $98.22, the pound sterling for $165.79, and the euro selling for an average of $148.33. In Friday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 6,540 points to close at over 300,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 51 stocks, of which 12 advanced, 30 declined, and 9 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 17 points to close at 3,314. Stocks advanced for Access Financial Services, Carreras Limited, Siboney Group, Fosrich Company, and Indies Pharma Jamaica. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Producers, and Derrimon Trading. Trading firm were AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and General Accident Insurance. JMMB Group was the volume leader with over 1 million units, followed by Jamaica Broilers with over 700,000 units and Jamaica Stock Exchange with over 400,000 units. News in oil. Oil prices rose on Friday, supported by expectations that sanctions on Iran would tighten global supplies. But futures posted a weekly drop as a slump in stock markets and concerns about trade wars clouded the fuel demand outlook. Brent crude futures rose 73 cents or 1% to settle at $77.62 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 26 cents or 0.4% to end at $67.59 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton.